Welcome to our latest video where we will be taking you on a virtual journey, showcasing 10 senior-friendly cruises that offer comfort and adventure. Stay tuned as we sail through breathtaking landscapes, discover exotic locales, and offer an inside look into the top-notch services catered specifically for seniors. You're never too old for an adventure, so sit back and let's explore these wonderful cruise options right from the comfort of your homes. Let's dive in. 1. The bliss of Alaskan glaciers. Cruising through Alaska offers a chance to experience ethereal landscapes with mighty glaciers. Imagine witnessing the magnificent Hubbard Glacier from the comfort of the ship's deck. Seniors will delight in spotting majestic creatures such as whales, seals, and bald eagles. This cruise is perfectly balanced with leisurely activities like glacier watching and exploring quaint port towns, where you can buy local handicrafts and immerse yourself in native cultures. The sight of a calving glacier is a spectacle, as if nature itself is putting on a grand show. 2. The enchantment of Mediterranean meandering. The Mediterranean cruise itinerary is rich with history, catapulting seniors into ancient worlds. By docking in cities like Rome, Athens, and Barcelona, passengers can explore iconic landmarks like the Parthenon and the Colosseum. Enjoy a revitalizing stroll on the cobblestone streets or unwind at a cafe sipping aromatic espresso, savoring the heady blend of tradition and modernity. This cruise is a cultural feast for the mind and soul, promising a unique and enriching adventure at every port. 3. Romancing the Rhone River. Cruising the Rhone River in France is a delightful tour of culinary delights and picturesque vineyards. Seniors can savor regional wines, cheeses, and delightful silk products unique to this region. This tranquil river cruise provides an intimate setting, where one can savor iconic French towns like Lyon and Avignon. Engage with the vibrant local culture without the hustle and bustle, perfect for those seeking a peaceful exploration grounded in French heritage. 4. Caribbean Islands. Tropical paradise. The Caribbean cruise is subtle yet vibrant, offering white sandy beaches and turquoise waters. Seniors can bathe in the sun while gently swaying on a hammock or engage in beachside snorkeling with ease. The islands are alive with the rhythms of reggae and calypso, reflecting the vibrant local culture. Ports like St. Lucia or the Bahamas offer beautiful botanical gardens, making it a visual treat for nature lovers. The island breezes carry whispers of exotic spices and laughter, adding a warm touch to the luxurious experience. 5. The grandeur of the Northern Lights journey. Imagine cruising through the fjords of Norway, underneath the ethereal dance of the Northern Lights. This cruise emphasizes comfort with ample opportunities for warmth and luxury on board, ensuring seniors can gaze upon the skies in complete bliss. There is something magical about the allure of the dancing auroras, as they paint stories across the sky. The landscape is dramatic with steep cliffs and peaceful waters, offering a serene experience enriched by the celestial phenomenon. 6. A South Pacific expedition. The South Pacific cruise opens a gateway to paradise for seniors seeking adventure and beauty. With stops at islands like Bora Bora and Fiji, the itinerary is infused with cultural depth and tropical allure. Enjoy snorkeling amidst rich coral reefs or simply bask in the serenity of the islands. This journey embodies an ideal balance of seaside relaxation and sporadic bursts of artistic heritage, making it a sought-after escape for travelers who enjoy a taste of the exotic. 7. A pilgrimage on the Nile River. Traveling the Nile River is akin to sailing through a living museum. Seniors can expect grand historical narratives unraveled through awe-inspiring landmarks such as the Temple of Karnak and Luxor. As the cradle of civilization, Egypt offers a mesmerizing journey alongside the tranquil waterway. Cruises often include carefully curated excursions that bring ancient stories to life, engaging both the mind and the heart. It is a step back in time to savor the mysteries of ancient Egypt. 8. An adventure to the Galapagos Islands. Cruising to the Galapagos Islands provides seniors with a unique encounter with untouched nature. Experience close-up encounters with exotic wildlife like sea turtles and playful sea lions. These islands are a sanctuary for adventure seekers eager to witness natural wonder in its pure form. Comfortable shore excursions make it easy for seniors to explore, creating unforgettable memories amid the vibrant wilderness. Each island visit reveals something new, from giant tortoises to blue-footed boobies showcasing nature's pristine balance. 9. Tracing the Danube's lustrous path, the Danube River Cruise allows seniors to traverse through several enchanting European countries, from Germany to Austria, Hungary, and beyond. Each port presents cultural splendor, including grand architecture and classical music heritage. Delightful culinary indulgences and quaint street avenues offer an intimate experience of Europe in its most poetic form. The timeless allure of the river infuses the journey with soothing reflections on Europe's rich history and artistic endeavors. 10. Exploring the fjords of New Zealand. Cruise the fjords of New Zealand, filled with lush rainforests and majestic mountains. This journey offers an intimate connection with nature, with opportunities to witness unique wildlife and stunning landscapes. The spectacle of Milford Sound, embraced by lush cliffs and serene waters, whispers tales of ancient artistry shaped by nature's hand. This route is perfect for seniors with an adventurous spirit, providing an awe-inspiring visual feast from the leisure of a cruise deck. Each of these senior-friendly cruises offers a distinctive array of experiences, blending comfort with alluring adventures. They open doors to new worlds, where both serenity and excitement coexist, ensuring a memorable journey at sea.